Hi everyone. Now the app is already there in the market, and some of you have already started using it and giving me feedback. I thought I'll make a small video on to explain uh, various aspects of this app. Before I start, I'd like to make a statement. Paper notes, I mean either printed or self-made, they are the best. There is no doubt about it, because many people have been asking, so which is better, the paper notes or the PDF which you have been sending, or this app? Should I buy this app or not? Now, let me tell you this frankly. Paper notes, either if you write it on a piece of paper or inside of a book, or you get some PDF printed, they are the best source for any revision. Then obviously the question would be, so why are you giving us app? I mean, you already told that paper notes are the best, so why app? There are few things about this app which makes it awesome. I mean, unlike any other thing. First is active revision versus passive revision. Now, when you look at a piece of paper which has information written on it, your brain is not able to differentiate what you know and what you are not knowing. And the same piece of information, when it is asked in examination, what happens? You tend to get confused. So ideally, when you are looking through a notes or something, mostly you are engaging in passive revision. So what is active revision? Active revision is when you are asked a question, you try to find the answer from your memory, and then you produce it. That is called active revision. Now, just a simple fact. So in this app, which is not possible with a paper notes or a PDF or anything, is that it presents you a question like, say, what is the most common cause of XYZ? Then you are made to think, and once you think about it, and then you see the answer. So one of the most important thing is like, there is a lot of you put a lot of pressure on your brain. You realize that, okay, I have missed this information, I don't remember this information. So this app actually brings in the concept of active revision, wherein you actually put a lot of pressure on your brain. And there's another thing, like, so the moment a question is asked to you, suddenly there's a need for information, that particular information. And when you get that information in the app, you know that that information will be stored much better. So this app is actually giving you a way to practice active revision. Second thing is, I mean, obviously you cannot carry your notes, your PDF, anything every time. But this app, it's an offline app. You can carry it anywhere. You can revise anytime. Even if you have 5 minutes, like you're waiting for a friend, you are traveling on a bus or somewhere, you're doing anything, you can just open. I mean, how much time we just open our Facebook and check the updates, or the WhatsApp to check the updates. This app can make revision that similar, that you're just waiting, you're just not knowing, even if you don't want to study, you can open the app, and it's form of a game. You keep on learning the flashcards and the concepts, and it shows how much you have learned. So this is another big advantage with an app. Third is it is search enabled. Search enabled is like, many times, like, say, on a certain topic, this app has a search engine inbuilt in it. So if you want to learn about, let's say, hemangioma, or let's say, malignant otitis media, you just put in that word, and all the previous year question, all the information which has been asked on that topic is actually there. So that makes it very, very powerful, because what happens that every time when you are referring on a topic for a notebook, you have to search it here, there. This will bring all the information on a particular topic at one place. And finally, I mean, PDF or anything which I share, I cannot update it. This app, you have got it for life. I mean, till the time, I don't want you to be preparing for very long. Possibly I'll pray to God that you get clear this year itself, this time itself. But this app, I'm going to put a lot of relevant, important MCQs and information on a regular basis. So this app will be updated on a monthly basis, and you can, so you don't have to worry about missing on some important facts. Anything which is important from a PG point of view will be updated here. So again, question is how to use it. You have notes, you have books, you have MCQ banks, and then you have got this app. Now, why I have created this app is there are so many segments in the entire day, 5-minute segments, 2-minute segments. When you which you are not able to utilize. And these are very critical segments, because revision, I mean, the more repetition you do, the much better you recall that information. So this app is, specifically designed that if you're not doing anything, if you don't have access to your book or your question bank, you simply open this app and start using it. Or suppose you are not feeling like, trying to go to your book, you're not feeling, sometimes we don't want to study actively, then this app can actually make revision much easier and interesting. So all you have to do is open the app and keep pressing. I mean, each flash takes less than 5 seconds, so in a minute you can revise on almost 10 flash, and it's so interesting, so easy way to do it. So I say that when you can read your book, when you can read your notes, read it. But there are so many times, at least an hour or two in a day, when you don't want to do anything, like you are lying on a bed, you're not feeling sleepy, you just open this app, use it as a Facebook. I mean, let this be your Facebook or WhatsApp for next 1 year, and you will see how slowly and steadily your information level on various critical aspects of PG points have been covered. So lastly, very important, I mean, this is one of the first paid app I have launched. I love to have your feedback. This is my email ID through which generally I communicate. So just feel free. I mean, good, bad, ugly, whatever you feel like, this is your app actually. This I have created for you all. I mean, so whatever you feel that this app should have more, you just let me, some guy was saying that why can't I create my own flashcards? Suppose some information is not, so I really liked it, and maybe, in the next version I will put that feature. So whatever you give the suggestion will be a part of the next. And best thing is, since you have bought it, it's with you for life. I mean, as long as you're preparing. So the moment we launch the second version or the third version, you will get all the updates. Thank you very much. Hope you like and love this video. Thank you.